Hi, I'm Joe Abeln, Account Manager at Panther Industries. This video features our compact and affordable shadow labeling automation system. One of the lowest cost print and apply systems on the market, the Panther Shadow is an entry-level, on-demand labeling solution. With the Shadow's plug-and-play setup, you are up and running within minutes. It is literally as easy as setting the unit on a table and plugging it in. No longer does an operator need to manually peel and apply a label to a carton or item. The operator simply presents an item below the shadow and presses a foot switch to apply the label. Easy, consistent, and accurate every time. An ideal solution for labeling in work cells, the Shadow is easily integrated with scale heads, barcode scanners, WMS, and ERP systems. The Shadow accepts label sizes from 3x1 up to 4x6 right out of the box. The Shadow can also be configured for labels up to 8 inches long. For greater integration within your growing operations, the Shadow can also be configured on a stand and rolled up to a conveyor for top and side applications. Built for speed, accuracy, and reliability, the Panther Shadow will increase your throughput, reduce your expenses, and decrease waste or loss due to outdated manual processes in your business.